for tuning in to My Sweet Life, and today's episode we're going to work on spring rolls. And our ingredients here is the 1 egg, your egg roll wraps, and your cabbage, and your carrots, and your mixed peppers, or whichever you choose to put inside of your egg roll. I'm going to go with the cabbage and the mixed peppers for a vegetable-like spring roll. So what we're going to do right now is saute our pans for our cabbage and green peppers, which is going to go inside your egg roll wrap. You're going to wrap it in the wrap and drop it in the fryer. So you're going to get just get a little heat to it, soften it up a little bit, because it's going to fry in the fryer when you drop the egg roll in there. So now I'm going to build my egg roll. Egg roll, spring roll. That's enough. Yeah. Just enough. To take our egg roll out of the fryer. We have a few done here already. However you want it, the crispier you want it.